We all know that the hook is the most important part of the video. And in this one, I'm gonna be breaking down 9 viral TikTok shop videos, and I'm gonna be showing you the frameworks that they're using in their hooks, so you can take these same methods, same strategies, and apply them to your videos. These videos combined did over $1 million in sales. If you use these hooks in your videos, I can almost guarantee you're gonna get more views and more sales. All right, let's jump on in. Here's hook number 1.
TikTok might be getting shut down soon, and because of that, a lot of companies are just trying to sell out their products as fast as they can. One really good product that basically...
This hook is incredible because it takes something that's in the public consciousness. Everyone's talking about TikTok getting shut down, TikTok getting banned. So he starts off with that concept and then he relates it to the product and how this is gonna actually benefit the viewer. Because TikTok's getting shut down, everyone's trying to sell out their products, they're on sale, go get it now. We actually had a couple people in our academy who took this same exact hook and have been crushing it with this. So this, hook number 1. Now let's jump in to the second hook.
Just me, or am I the only one that comes out of a massage looking like this? Also, my husband just texted me and told me his friend's coming over with his wife, who I've never met. They will be there when I get home. This exact reason is why I keep my...
All right, so this video right here, according to TikTok, has done over $100,000 in GMV in just the last week. And so she starts off this video with a story. She's showing you a relatable problem. She's showing you how messed up her hair is. She's talking about how she's got guests coming back at home. So she starts off the video with a problem, does not try to sell you anything in the first 5-10 seconds, makes it relatable, and then she continues the story throughout the video. Incredible hook. Definitely recommend using something like that in your videos. All right, let's jump into hook number 3. You guys have probably seen this one all over the place. This is the reverse hook. Let's check it out.
Do not buy these unless you're ready to have your life drastically change for the better. So you're gaining weight and you have no idea why.
So according to TikTok, this video did over 125,000 in GMV in the past week, and it's a very straightforward reverse hook. Try these out in your videos. It goes a little something like this. Do not buy this product unless you want positive side effect. All right, next hook. This video, according to TikTok, has done over $110,000 in GMV in the past week. Let's check it out.
You know, if you're craving sweets constantly, you can't sleep at night, and you get emotional over every little thing, chances are you have high levels of cortisol. And the reason is because you're vitamin D deficient.
All right, it's a really cool hook. We're gonna break it down and then I'm gonna show you exactly how you could use this in your videos. If you're looking for high converting products to work with on TikTok Shop, then you need to check out the Brands Meet Creators TikTok Shop Games. We just partnered up with a handful of brands that are gonna be offering bonus commission exclusively through our network. All of these brands have highly converting products. They have budget to boost your videos with ads, and they have a ton of viral potential. We're also going to be giving away a ton of prizes, including free tickets to our in-person mastermind event this year. And the best part about it, the Brands Meet Creators TikTok Shop Games are completely free. You can join by clicking the link somewhere below this video. So the hook framework goes, if you have common problem, chances are it's actually because of deeper problem. And then he goes one level further, and the real reason is this problem right here. So he's basically showing you, hey, if you have this problem, it's likely because of this, and this is caused because of this. So he's kind of like digging deeper into your problems and then showing the solution. So for example, let's say you are promoting the sea moss gummies that we have as part of our free TikTok Shop games. A way that you could use this framework is like this. If you have acne or skin problems, chances are it's actually your gut that is causing the problem. And the real reason is because your gut doesn't have enough healthy bacteria. And then that's when you show the product. That's how you show how to get more healthy bacteria into your gut. Great hook. That one did over 110K in GMV. Next up, this video did 90,000 and it's a comparison video. Let's check out the hook.
Let's put Apple AirPods up to the test against these viral Lenovo ThinkPlus X15 Pro that are...
Great hook. This stuff does so well. Let's put common product up to the test against viral TikTok Shop product. The comparison videos, these crush it. Now, next up is a very similar video as well. This one did over 100,000 according to TikTok. Let's check out the hook.
Come test out these 2 vacuums with me.
Come test out these 2 products with me. So again, she's showing a very common product that a lot of people are probably aware of, more of the name brand. Then she's showing it side by side to the TikTok Shop version, showing how the TikTok Shop version is better. It's a great hook. That style of video does really well. Next up, this video did over 110,000 in sales. Very similar to the reverse hook. Let's jump on into this one.
Okay, so I ordered something off of a TikTok shop, and I think I kind of messed up this time because I ordered that viral set of pots and pans that everybody's been talking about, and it came, but the box is this big. It's supposed to be a whole...
All right, so she's starting the video off acting as if like she made a mistake. But in reality, this thing that she's portraying as a mistake is actually a huge benefit of the product. So a lot of times you'll see this in regards to the price. Someone will say, oh my God, I can't believe, you know, I ordered this thing, I got it for 50 bucks, blah, blah, blah. But now TikTok's selling it for $20. So starting off with a mistake, something that like, oh man, I wish I didn't do this, but that actually becomes a benefit to the viewer. All right, next hook. We actually haven't seen one like this yet. In this hook, they don't say anything in the first few seconds. It's just a text on the screen hook. And this one, according to TikTok, has done over $90,000 in the past week. Let's check it out.
If you're someone who struggles with bad breath.
All right, so the hook framework is, I never realized how bad blank problem is until I used this. So it's just a way to show problem and solution. Whatever problem your product solves, show exactly how it solves that. You don't need to say anything, just put it right up on the screen using the product for a few seconds. Great hook, that one crushes it. Next hook, this video did $75,000 last week according to TikTok. Let's check it out.
If you have a car and you're putting your phone in your cup holder while you're driving, this is perfect. This is a phone holder that automatically...
This framework is super simple. If you do common thing, this product is perfect for you. The other thing to note in this video, very fast paced, a lot of movement in the beginning, and also they are responding to a comment. You see this a lot on videos that do really well. Hope you guys found this one super valuable. Take these hook frameworks that you just learned and start to incorporate them into your videos, and let me know in the comments if this helped you at all. I'll see you guys on the next video.